Hey guys, welcome back to Cooking with Crystal. Today I will be showing you how to make carne con papa. This is actually a recipe that I learned from my mom and I am so happy to be sharing it with you all. You will need half an onion, 3 potatoes, I have already washed mine, as well as 3 tomatoes and a small can of jalapeños. For the meat, you will need Diesmillo or beef chuck roll. My meat was already seasoned when I purchased it. If you can't find it seasoned, just use your preferred beef seasoning. As you can see, I have peeled and sliced the potatoes, and I have also chopped the onion and tomatoes. Set the onion and tomato aside. Place a pan over medium heat, add oil, and now we will be frying the potato slices. Seasoning your potatoes with salt and pepper is optional. However, if you decide to, just be sure not to use too much, as your meat will also be seasoned and you do not want it to be salty. Once you see that your potatoes are getting that golden color, go ahead and flip them so that they continue frying on the other side. As your potatoes finish frying, set them aside on a plate lined with a paper towel. Cut the meat to bite-sized pieces. For this recipe, I do like to trim the fat as best as I can, but that is optional. Place a pan over medium heat and add in a small amount of oil, just enough so that the meat doesn't stick to the pan, and then you will add in the meat. This part is very important. Do not allow for the meat to completely soak up the juices. As you can see, my pan still has a small amount of it left. At this point, you will add in the chopped onion and tomato. Open up your jalapeños and add in about a 1/4 cup of the vinegar from the jalapeños, and you will also add in 2 to 3 jalapeños to the meat. Go ahead and give that a bit of a mix. Lower your heat to medium-low, cover your pan and cook for about 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, you can see that the meat has produced more juice, and that is because of the tomato. At this point, you will go ahead and add in your fried potato slices. Mix the potatoes in just so that they aren't sitting at the top of the meat. And you will again cover your pan and cook for another 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, this is what your carne con papa should look like. remove from heat, and you are ready to serve. I like to serve my carne con papa with fresh frijoles a la olla and Spanish rice. However, you can serve it with these sides of your choice. This recipe does take a little long to make, but I promise you it is totally worth it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to like and subscribe to my channel and click that bell icon. Thank you guys so much for watching Cooking with Crystal.